Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Alexandra, also known as Alejandraxoxx on Instagram. So I wanted to do a Q&A. So I asked you guys on Instagram to send me your guys' questions, and I got a lot of questions. You guys asked your questions in the comment section and then also through DMs. So yeah, I'm also gonna get ready. I'm gonna do just like my everyday makeup look. I'm not going to announce any products that I'm using. I will list that all down below in the description. So if you guys see anything that I'm using on my face, you guys want to know what I'm using, it'll be down below. I was supposed to film this video last week, and I did, but I deleted the video because I hated how my hair looked. I just looked so bad. Like, I just did not like the video at all. And also, I tried to pronounce your guys' names, your Instagram names, and it was like giving me a super hard time. So for this video, I'm just going to say the question and then just answer it. I'm not gonna like say your guys' names because they are so hard to pronounce, and I don't want like anyone to like get mad at me or anything. So yeah, first question: did you plan your pregnancy? No, I did not plan my pregnancy. It was a huge surprise. I was like honestly not expecting that, because like I don't know, it was just a huge surprise. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. When I did what I did, the next day I took a Plan B pill. And because I did that is because not so long ago my friend told me about this app, and it's a period tracker. And because I never know when my period's gonna come, it like literally comes like so randomly. So I want to like keep track of my period. So she told me to get this app, and I just recently got that app. And I remember the next day I checked the app and it said that I was ovulating. And if you are ovulating, that is when you get pregnant. I took a Plan B pill and I thought everything was good. I thought I was fine, but no. And I took the pill the next day. So just keep that in mind. 3 days to take that pill, and I took it the very next day. And the fact that I still got pregnant is crazy to me. So yeah, I did not plan my pregnancy. Next question: how many kids do you want? I want 3 kids, but I'm thinking I kind of want just 2. If I get a girl and a boy, I will be happy. But if not, then I want a 3rd kid. But I'm thinking I want to have the 3rd kid like later on in life. Where do you get your nails done? Last time that I started saying what nail salon I was going to, it started getting like really packed, and I don't think it was because of me shouting out where I was going, but the place literally got way too popular. And I don't live in LA, I live by San Francisco, so I don't know, like it was a bad idea of me to shout out where I was going, because then people started recognizing me. And when I go get my nails done or my toes done, I just want to like relax and stuff. So when people are like staring at me, it just makes me so uncomfortable. I'm sorry if I'm running out of breath. This pregnancy is killing me. Next question: what's the best part about being pregnant? Just all the changes and everything that's happening has been like, it's just so crazy to me. Like I don't know how to explain it. Like I still can't believe this is happening to me. I'd have to say the best thing is knowing that I'm pregnant. I literally have an excuse. So like if like my mom or my brother or my dad, anyone like literally asks me to do something, I'll be like, no, I don't feel good, like I'm pregnant, you know, and they'll let it slide because I'm pregnant. So that seriously has to be one of the best things, is that I can get away with anything right now. But I would have to say just the journey so far has been really incredible. Like just going through everything that I've been going through, my body, feeling the baby kick me now. I just can't believe my life is about to change this summer. It's already changing. My life's already changing. Have you ever had depression? Yes, I have been depressed before. I've actually been depressed, I would say 2 times in my life, where it was like really bad. What was the very first brand to reach out to you? That's really hard, because that was like 2 years ago. I think it was Pur Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure it was Pur. You know what's funny? I've been on every single PR list that there is except for 2 brands, and that is Maybelline and Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know why I'm not like upset or anything that I'm not on their list to, you know, get free makeup for them to send me things, but it's just crazy that I'm literally on almost like everything except for those 2 brands. So that's my goal, to get on those. When is your gender reveal? That's gonna be in April. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I keep changing what I want to do. I feel like my family's not gonna show up. I don't know why. That's so sad to say, but like my mom's side of the family is in Puerto Rico and in Florida, so they're very far away, so they can't be here to celebrate with me, which is really sad. And so I have my dad's side of the family here, but I don't know what I should do. Just know that you guys will know in April if I'm having a boy or a girl. What's your most embarrassing story? I have a super embarrassing story. This is so embarrassing. Just thinking about it, oh my god. This happened, I'm pretty sure I have a ton of embarrassing stories, but this one has to be like the best one. I was around like 11 or 12 when this incident happened. All the kids were playing outside, and back then, like, I feel like all the kids would be outside and be playing. Nowadays it's not like that because there's iPads and stuff and you barely see kids outside anymore. So back then, like, all the kids in the neighborhood would be outside playing with each other. And one day it was like super hot and all the kids decided to do a big balloon fight, water guns, all that fun stuff. So that day I started my period. So I wore a pad and I was wearing like these little shorts, and I had a bathing suit on, but I was like covered up. Like I had a little tank top and some shorts on. There's like water everywhere, everyone's getting wet. It was like really fun. All of a sudden, this is all happening in the street too. So like there's kids everywhere. Everyone's throwing balloons at each other, water balloons at each other. It was crazy. It was so much fun. And then all of a sudden, I'm standing in the middle of the road and my pad got so filled up with water that it literally got so big and slipped through my shorts onto the ground and just like hit the ground super hard, and it was so loud, and everyone stopped what they were doing and they just stared at me and they're like, what is that? It was so embarrassing. The whole entire neighborhood saw my pad fall out of my shorts onto the ground. It soaked up so much water and it was just so bad. It just fell straight to the ground onto the street, and everyone started laughing at me. So I took off running inside my house. My mom was like, you need to go pick that up. And I was like, no, I'm too embarrassed. I went and looked outside the window and everyone's playing still, and they're like playing around it. You just see like this big, huge white pad in the middle of the road. So later on, when it was nighttime, I like ran out there. I picked it up, put it in a bag, and I threw it away. And then after that, I did not go outside for the longest time because I was so embarrassed. And there was some girls on the block that were like much younger than me, and they were like bullies. And every time they saw me, they started laughing because they remember the time that my pad fell out. Next question, when are you coming back to Puerto Rico? I was supposed to go back to Puerto Rico in January, but I didn't end up going because that's around the time that I found out I was pregnant. Actually, I found out I was pregnant in November and can't travel that far. It's like 13 hours on a plane. So I couldn't go see my family, but I'm going to be going next year in January. This time for sure I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna be taking my baby, so I'm very excited about that because my family will get to meet the baby. Do you have any pet peeves? I have to say my biggest pet peeve is when I am at a friend's house, or I'm at my dad's house, I'm at my mom's house, and I see someone's car parked outside, like in front of our house. Like, why are you parked outside in front of our house? Like, you know, it could be like a neighbor or a friend of a neighbor. I don't know. I just think it's so rude and I hate that. I don't know why that's like my biggest pet peeve, but it is. One time, and this has been my biggest pet peeve since I was young. One time I was with my mom and her friend came over and we all went out to eat, and when we got back and we're getting into the driveway, I saw a car parked in front of our house, and I was like, whose stupid car is parked in front of our house? That is so rude. And my mom's friend was like, that's my car. And I was like, oh my god. I was like, I'm so sorry. That has to be another embarrassing story because oh my god, I was so embarrassed. I was like, I really need to keep my mouth shut. Do you still think, oh my god, there's like something in my eye. Do you still think about what happened Do you still think about the incident that happened at Coachella? I don't even want to get into that, but people ask me all the time to this day, and Coachella has been, that was like so long ago. That was like last April, I think. I don't know. Honestly, it's so irrelevant. I don't even want to talk about it. I've never really talked about it. I mean, I explained my side of the story. And a lot of people did believe me, which I'm so grateful for. The only hate that I got from it was from like 12-year-olds, and because that's pretty much their fan base. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about the Ace family. I was like in a scandal with the Ace family. I don't even want to talk about it, but if you guys want to search it up, you guys can. You can search up my name with the Ace family on YouTube, and there's videos. So yeah, I'm not even gonna get into that because it's so stupid, and I just know that I don't support them anymore, and I don't care what they're doing. All I'm gonna say is be careful who you look up to on social media. Have you ever been in a social media scandal? Rice gum ? Oh my god. So yes, I have, the one with the Ace family, and then I wouldn't say I was in a scandal with rice gum because I wasn't. A couple years ago, his manager reached out to me and wanted me to like be on his podcast, his live podcast or something, and I said sure. So I was on it, and we literally like talked for a little bit. He was just asking me questions and stuff. I honestly don't even remember what it was about, but he basically like played a prank on me and made all of his followers go to my Instagram and comment something so inappropriate, and it's still on my Instagram to this day. If you go way down, it's way down there. There's like over 100 comments. Oh, way too much bronzer right here. Oh my god. I'm like a little bit tan, can you guys see? So I'm like trying to like, you know, bronze my face up. Are you planning on breastfeeding? Yes, I am planning to breastfeed. I hope I'm able to. Someone asked, have you had any surgery? Yes, I've had, what the heck? I don't know if you guys can tell, but that looks so bad. I've had surgery. I've gotten my boobs done, and that is it. I have a video on it here on YouTube, so you guys can check it out if you want to check it out. Are you excited or scared about labor? Both. I posted something on my Instagram story today showing an old picture of me. This was actually like months back, and I'm wearing a crop top and I'm showing my waist, and I put missing my body right about now because obviously like I have a baby bump now, and I love my baby bump and everything, but of course I miss my body. My body's gonna go back to normal, so I'm not worried or anything. But like there was like some people that took it the wrong way. They were like, how dare you, you're blaming your body changes because of your baby. I was like, no, I'm not. Like, I'm literally just saying I miss my body, and I know I'm gonna have it back. Like, chill out. People are so annoying. Last question. Have you gotten any hate announcing your pregnancy? Yes, I have. There's some other influencers that I know that are also pregnant right now, and they pretty much told me to just ignore it because there's gonna be so many opinions and so many people saying things. And I just gotta ignore it and do what I think is best for me and for my baby. So just know that if you say something mean to me, I'm just gonna block you, like straight up. A lot of you guys had the same question, so that's why I kind of like narrowed it down. I will have my vlog up next. Hopefully that will be more interesting than this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you guys have any questions, video ideas you guys would like to see next, because I seriously need video ideas. They seriously motivate me to film. So please comment down below any video ideas you guys have. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I promise I'm gonna get better at doing YouTube. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.